Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Cotton Ginny Factory by Andre Suchin and duhCosmos on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on 4 Fields, and it's there, $300,000 to purchase. Very simple, no alternates. Cotton goes in, and 2 different products come out. One of them being this, which is, I do believe, let's see, cotton lint. Right, so we have one process, 144 cycles per month, 1,000 cotton goes in, and 5, a little bit more, cottonseed and cotton lint, a little bit less than 1,000 liters come out. So, yes, just a touch less. So, I had filled it with 180,000 liters of cotton, and that's what you get. So, we have these. So, going in, I used regular base game cotton bales, square and round. They both in. Loose cotton did not go in. So that's not an option, at least not right now. Let's grab some of these bales. And doesn't look like I'm, oh yes, you can kind of, can you poke them? Oh, it's looking like they're not. How are those moved? Did they just, it doesn't, oh, it's pallets. They're pallets. Okay, let's see if we can pick it up with a pallet fork. Seem to be, yeah, okay. If you had straps on them, they might be a little bit easier. Can I puncture them? No, they're definitely pallets. Alright, so they're pallets. Not really very easy to deal with. Okay, there, we got one. All right. We'll take a look at the seeds in a moment. How much can we sell them for? What would they be called? Lint, cotton lint, and cotton seed. 78.47, and the seed is 11 or 1,400 for the best price. 8,459. So I'm on easy economy. And your map sell points should pick those up. So let's just go ahead and sell one. Boom. Okay. Yep. That looks good. Alright, let's grab our... See, I had some loose cotton here. Let's get rid of this first. So, in case you're wondering about price difference, cotton, peak cotton price is 4,000, and we said it was about 8,000 for peak cotton lint. Yeah, so you're doubling your money, plus you get, well, you're not getting all of it. There's cottonseed, 83,000 liters. Oh, and it looks like cotton. Okay, so they didn't change the color of it. So cottonseed, you're looking at $1,400. Well, it's not too bad for a byproduct. So I think it should be profitable. Now, can you use these products in other productions? Not likely, unless those productions were... Yeah, I think you're going to do fine with this. If you're looking for a different way to use cotton instead of making clothes and things like that, I think this might be a nice alternative. And there you have it, folks. That's the Cotton Ginny factory. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Of course, I nearly missed a sell point. $10 only for that sell point. Let's check out Cotton Lid and Seed Center. Doesn't look like you're going to get any extra for selling anything there, but that doesn't mean you aren't going to get extra. Let's grab. So if you remember, one of these bales was about in the $7,000 range per. If I can get one, there we go. It might be a little bit. All right, let's go there, and yeah. So you're not getting a bonus for the sell point. However, the sell point is super cheap. Is there anything else? Does it actually buy just straight up cotton? No, I think it just buys the product. So if you want a sell point just for the cotton product, there you have it there. And now that's it. Cotton Ginny Factory. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.